So what I was actually talking about, the what will be the prospect of zoology in India. It is actually part 2. So if you want to pursue as your research as a as for scientist or researcher, want to become lecturer or professor at different college or universities or in laboratories, so you have to crack at first the CSIR NET JRF, because without this definitely it has no value. And if you just become first or second at your undergraduation level or post graduation level, doesn't matter. Why? Because if you can't crack the CSIR NET JRF, definitely it has no value. It is just like driving license. Driving. If you have no license, you cannot go for driving. So you have to crack the CSIR NET JRF. And in my channel I will definitely discuss all those prospects, academic problem in different lecturers. And I can tell you one thing, that I will definitely upload at least 2 videos in a week, and will try to share my talk, and definitely I will upload some important video. Definitely subjects are very much associated with CSIR NET JRF. Hope definitely you will enjoy it, no doubt. So there will be lots of people after getting your PhD, even after getting your postdoc, they will ask you what you are doing. If you say I am doing postdoc, they will ask you, is it a job? Because lots of people simply will not understand your value as a researcher. What you can do, you have to be very much focused, very much dedicated, very much committed towards your work, and simply you will try to avoid those disgusting people, because they have nothing to do in their life. They are basically bogus. Because one thing I can tell you, when you become doctorate, definitely people will ask you, oh, you are doctorate. But before you are getting the doctorate degree, when you are going to pursue your PhD, during your PhD mainly, they will underestimate you. They will ask you what you are doing. And if you just look at their profile, you will find that they are something doing 8,000 10,000 job. I am not going to underestimate them. Remember that, I am not going to underestimate them, but it is the fact, it is a practical fact. So my students, and definitely who will actually observe my channel, I hope they will get some kind of information, and as a for academic, or it might be some kind of net oriented, definitely, as it is an academic channel. So I must tell you one thing, be patient and definitely be dedicated towards your work. And cracking CSIR NET is not a magic, but at the same time you have to be very much crystal clear about each and every subject, because as you all know, in CSIR NET JRF the group C part very much practical oriented. Okay, so I am going to finish my lecture. This is a part 2. I will upload all those 2, part 1 and part 2, very soon. Hope you will enjoy it, and please like my channel, share my channel, comment if you want. I can expect some kind of constructive comment from your side, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, one thing I can request you, stay happy, stay safe during this particular time, and we need to be very much united. Bye. Thank you so much.